just a quick disclaimer that this video and several of the future videos were recorded pre-move, and a video about the move might be coming up in the future. So here's another video about my Dragon Trapper Lodge Fae Petal Court army that I'm building for OnePageRules Age of Fantasy. And this will also be another quick video like the last time. Last time I showed off these units, the Seelie Guard. Cute little pixie characters. And their counterpart, because the Seelie Guard are close range, they're up in your face, quick to action, quick to stab, and blitz away units. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the Seelie Archers. And I believe their main weapon choices are a thorn bow, I believe that's the default, and a flower type bow. I'm not 100% sure what the difference is. I believe there's a point difference or something. These are also really nice. I really like how they look. We can see how the bow looks right there. Looks like it's made of twisted branches with thorns on it. The pixie's ready to shoot and everything. And just like last time, I'm going to be showing off two sculpts of that. Hopefully I didn't grab the same two. We can see the characters are in dynamic poses here. We can see how the feet are positioned, how the bow is being held, and it's really nice. I really love how that looks. Just like last time, the Seelie Archers are using the same bases as the Seelie Guard. These cute little bases right here. And I believe it's the same between the Seelie Guard and Seelie Archer. Their attachments, having a musician. I was able to find a musician between this and last video. And as we can see here, holding a little harp, playing a little tune, so that the troops that they are, helping are able to do more damage, or I believe it's a melee attack, a close range melee attack. I'm not really sure. But they're able to boost something. I believe it might be morale. I would have to read the rules again. Right here. And you can see how tiny this unit is. It is tiny. This is going to be a really fun challenge to paint. And just like last time, as we can see here, they have these clear standee bases. These clear little pieces right here. But yeah, right here I have the Seelie Archers. I really like how they look. They look like they're ready for combat. And as my second printed army right now, my Age of Fantasy army, I believe this is going to be a really fun choice. This is going to be a really fun challenge to build, and I can't wait to get to it. So I would like to thank everyone for watching. You guys are awesome. Like before in the last video I mentioned, I have a Patreon, and I should start plugging the Patreon more often to hopefully get more supporters. But this is going to be a short video because I need to record more, edit more, and post in the future because some new things are coming up. So if you all would like to support my Patreon, you can go to the link below. I will be trying to post there more often, talking about projects, showing some behind the scenes, painting and images before the released and future videos. So if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing, go check out my Patreon and support my projects there so I can make more videos more often with more diverse content. So thank you all for watching and have a good day.